Hi friends, welcome to our next video. In this video, we will understand how to find out the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay, let us first understand what is an equilateral triangle. If three sides of a triangle are equal, suppose the length of these three sides are equal. Suppose the length of this side is A, this is also A and this is also A, centimeter, meter, any unit. Okay, then this triangle will be called an equilateral triangle. What is the formula of finding area of a triangle? The formula of finding area of a triangle is √3/4 into side square. This is the length of the side, so side square. We all know that this is the formula of finding area of an equilateral triangle, but why? Answer of this question will be obtained from Pythagoras theorem. So let us understand why we use √3/4 into side square. If we draw a perpendicular from this vertex on this side, then this length and this length is equal to A/2. Why? Because this is A, the length of this line is A, half of this line is A/2, it is also half of this line, so it is also A/2. So we can say the length of this part is A/2. Okay, now this is A, we have to find out this H, this is the height of this triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypo square, that means hypotenuse square, equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here you look, this is a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. So this side is hypotenuse, this side is perpendicular and this is the base. Okay, so hypotenuse is A square, P means H square, B means A/2 whole square, implies A square equal to H square plus A square by 4, implies A square minus A square by 4 equal to H square, implies 4A square minus A square, that means 3A square by 4 equal to H square. Understood? Implies H equal to under root 3A square by 4, which is equal to √3/2A. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem we get H equal to, that means height equal to √3/2 into A. Okay, now we all know the universal formula of finding area of any triangle is half into base into height. Okay, so area of this triangle also equal to half into base into height, equal to half into base is A, height is √3/2 into A. So this is equal to √3/2 into 2, 4 A square. So friends, this is how we get this formula. Okay, so friends, for more such concept clearing video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.